because plastic surgeons, compared to other surgeons, we are usually building up structures. We're not just taking away stuff, we're building things. Because of that, the other challenge with a kid is a kid does not have that many spare parts to build. For example, we are constantly building jaws and orbits and skulls. A kid does not have that many ribs or hip, not that much bone. So we have to be creative and use more modern techniques of growing bone or artificial bones. Or, for instance, we're also the co-founder of the 3D Printing Center of Excellence at Cardinal Glennon. We broke ground in 2017. We've done almost every week, we're doing at least one surgery where we map out the surgery on the computer. The 3D printer prints the piece to help us guide the surgery. Then our 3D printer is literally between the operating room and the sterilization room. It goes downstairs to be sterilized, it's brought up to the operating room. Few places have that ability to sterilize their own in-house printed, 3D printed object. And so we use 3D printing to help us guide the surgery so it's as minimal of surgery we need, and we know exactly how much bone we need to fill a gap by using 3D printed models during surgery, sterilized, and that way we get just enough bone. So we don't waste a drop when we have the precision of 3D printing. The 3D Printing Center here is a really unique asset to SSM Health, Cardinal Glennon, and to St. Louis University. Stratasys is one of the two biggest 3D printer companies in the world, and they have two centers of excellence. One is in New York, and the other is SSM Health, Cardinal Glennon Children's Hospital, our 3D printing center. And their partnership gives us access to the most newest materials and the best printers. And so I think that's just a tremendous game changer for us. We really have a technology that most places do not yet have. Together, we are constantly using 3D printing to solve problems for plastic surgery, for cardiology and cardiac surgery, as well as for neurosurgery, orthopedic surgery, and all the craniomaxillofacial problems we have. We keep solving new problems.